Hey there, fellow Earthlings. Let's talk about something we all need. Clean water. It's essential for drinking, growing our food and keeping our ecosystems healthy. But here's the thing. Water pollution is a huge problem. Yikes! Think about all the nasty stuff that ends up in our rivers, lakes and oceans. Factories dump chemicals, cities release sewage, and farms contribute fertilizers and pesticides. It's a recipe for disaster. This pollution can poison wildlife, contaminate our drinking water, and even disrupt entire ecosystems. We need to clean up our act, and that's where advanced oxidation processes, or AOPs, come into play. Get ready to be amazed.
Clean water is so important for our community. We've seen firsthand how pollution can affect our lives. It's time we do something about it.
So what are AOPs? Imagine them as powerful water purifiers. These processes use special reactions to break down those harmful pollutants into harmless substances. It's like magic, but with science.
AOPs work by creating highly reactive chemicals called hydroxyl radicals. These radicals are like tiny cleaning crews that attack and destroy pollutants. They break down complex molecules into simpler, less harmful ones. It's like taking apart a Lego model and leaving behind harmless bricks. AOPs are super effective because they can tackle a wide range of pollutants. They can break down pesticides, pharmaceuticals, industrial chemicals, and even those pesky microplastics. It's a game changer for water treatment.
Now, let's zoom in on those hydroxyl radicals. They're like the superheroes of the AOP world. These tiny molecules are incredibly reactive because they have an unpaired electron. Imagine them like tiny magnets searching for something to attach to.
When hydroxyl radicals encounter pollutants, they don't mess around. They initiate a chain reaction, breaking down the pollutants' chemical bonds. It's like a demolition crew taking down a building molecule by molecule. These radicals are short-lived, but they pack a punch. They react with pollutants quickly and efficiently, breaking them down into smaller, less harmful compounds. It's like turning a monster into a harmless kitten.
Section 4. AOP Toolbox, Fenton, Ozone, Light and Sound. In this section we will explore the fascinating world of advanced oxidation processes, or AOPs, which are cutting-edge methods used to purify water by generating powerful hydroxyl radicals. AOPs come in different flavors, each with its special recipe for generating those powerful hydroxyl radicals. These methods are like the superheroes of water treatment, each with unique abilities to tackle pollutants and contaminants. Let's meet the AOP Avengers. These are the champions of clean water, each bringing their own special powers to the table. First up, we have sonolysis. This process uses sound waves to create tiny bubbles in the water. These bubbles are not just any bubbles, they are like miniature reactors. These bubbles collapse with such force that they generate hydroxyl radicals. Imagine a tiny sonic boom happening inside the water, blasting away pollutants with incredible energy. It's like using a tiny sonic boom to blast away pollutants. This method is particularly effective for breaking down complex organic molecules that are otherwise difficult to remove. Next, we have photocatalysis. This method uses special materials called photocatalysts, which are activated by ultraviolet or visible light. These materials are like the solar panels of water treatment, harnessing light to power the purification process. When light shines on these materials, they generate those awesome hydroxyl radicals. It's like turning on a cleaning laser that zaps away contaminants with precision and efficiency. It's like turning on a cleaning laser. This method is highly effective for degrading a wide range of pollutants, including pesticides and pharmaceuticals. Then we have ozonolysis. This process uses ozone gas, which is like supercharged oxygen. Ozone is a powerful oxidant that can break down even the most stubborn pollutants. When ozone reacts with water, it forms, you guessed it, hydroxyl radicals. This reaction infuses the water with cleaning power, making it an incredibly effective method for water purification. It's like infusing the water with cleaning power. Ozonolysis is particularly useful for treating industrial wastewater and removing organic contaminants. Finally, we have the Fenton process. This method uses a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and iron salts to create a hydroxyl radical storm. It's like a chemical reaction on steroids, producing a burst of cleaning power. It's like mixing baking soda and vinegar to create a volcano, but instead of a mess, we get clean water. The Fenton process is highly effective for treating contaminated groundwater and industrial effluents. making it a versatile tool in the AOP toolbox. Section 5. AOPs in Action Real-World Success Stories. In this section, we will explore how advanced oxidation processes, or AOPs, are being utilized in various real-world scenarios to tackle some of the most challenging water treatment issues. AOPs are not just a laboratory curiosity. They're already making waves in the real world. These processes are being implemented in numerous water treatment plants across the globe, showcasing their effectiveness and reliability. Let's dive into some inspiring examples. From industrial wastewater treatment to purifying drinking water and remediating contaminated groundwater.
Many industries generate wastewater contaminated with toxic chemicals. These pollutants can be incredibly harmful to the environment and human health if not properly treated. AOPs have been successfully used to treat this wastewater, removing harmful pollutants before they reach the environment. This not only helps in complying with environmental regulations, but also ensures a safer ecosystem. It's like giving those factories a water filter. By implementing AOPs, industries can significantly reduce their environmental footprint and contribute to a cleaner planet.
Did you know that traces of pharmaceuticals can end up in our drinking water? These substances can come from various sources, including improper disposal of medications and agricultural runoff. AOPs can remove these persistent pollutants, ensuring that our water is safe and healthy. This is crucial for maintaining public health and preventing potential long-term effects of pharmaceutical contamination. It's like giving our tap water a detox. By using AOPs, we can ensure that the water we drink is free from harmful contaminants, providing peace of mind and better health outcomes.
Accidents happen, and sometimes hazardous substances contaminate our groundwater. This can pose serious risks to both the environment and human health. AOPs can help remediate these contaminated sites, restoring the water quality and protecting our precious groundwater resources. This is essential for ensuring a sustainable water supply for future generations. It's like giving the earth a big band-aid. By using AOPs, we can heal the damage caused by contamination and safeguard our natural resources.
Section 6. AOPs versus traditional methods are head-to-head. Now you might be wondering, how do AOPs compare to traditional water treatment methods? Well, AOPs have some serious advantages. AOPs can be used as a standalone treatment method or combined with other technologies to enhance their effectiveness. It's like having a team of cleaning superheroes. S3. Some traditional methods generate a lot of sludge, which can be difficult and expensive to dispose of. AOPs, on the other hand, generate less sludge, making them a more sustainable option. It's like cleaning up without making a mess. ES1, AOPs can break down a wider range of pollutants than traditional methods, including those that are difficult to remove. It's like having a super strong cleaning agent. Section 7. A cleaner. Future with AOPs. Advanced oxidation processes, or AOPs, hold immense promise for a cleaner and more sustainable future. As water scarcity and pollution become increasingly pressing global issues, these innovative technologies offer a beacon of hope. By harnessing the power of advanced chemical reactions, AOPs can break down even the most stubborn pollutants, ensuring that our water sources remain clean and safe.
Imagine a world where we can effectively treat even the most contaminated water, turning it into a valuable resource. AOPs have the potential to revolutionize water treatment, protecting human health and preserving our planet for generations to come. These processes can target a wide range of contaminants, from industrial chemicals to pharmaceutical residues, making previously unusable water sources viable once again. This not only helps in addressing water scarcity, but also reduces the environmental impact of pollution.
By investing in AOP research and implementation, we can make a real difference in the fight against water pollution. Scientists and engineers are continually working to improve the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of these technologies, making them more accessible for widespread use. Let's all do our part to keep our water clean and protect this precious resource. Supporting policies that promote the adoption of AOPs and encouraging industries to implement these technologies can lead to significant improvements in water quality.
A cleaner future is within our reach. With the right policies and support, we can ensure that AOPs play a vital role in safeguarding our water for the future. Governments, industries, and communities must collaborate to create a framework that encourages the use of AOPs. Public awareness and education about the benefits of these technologies are also crucial in driving their adoption. Together, we can pave the way for a future where clean water is not a luxury, but a guaranteed right for all.
Together, let's embrace the power of AOPs and work towards a world where clean water is a reality for everyone. By taking collective action and supporting innovative solutions like AOPs, we can ensure that future generations inherit a planet where water is abundant and unpolluted. The journey towards a cleaner future starts with each one of us, making informed choices and advocating for sustainable practices. Let's make this vision a reality, one drop at a time.